Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to make a spotlight on and then edit onto your design. First, open your Canva and then insert an element and then insert this shape onto your page, and you need to increase the size like this, and don't forget to positioning it too like this. And after that, change the color onto a black color. And then add one more shape, circle shape like this. I think I will try to decrease the size like this and then change the color onto a white color. And after you finish, now we need to download this design. Okay, download it. Wait for a moment, and after you finish downloading it, now minimize the page and then make a new page, and you can delete the first page. And after that, now you need to add a picture. For example, I'm going to add, I think I will adding this picture and then set it as a background like this, positioning it. Okay, done. And after that, now click the gallery button and then add the image that you already make before. Add a design that you already saved before. Click it, and now click the Magic Studio and then click the BG remover to remove the background. Wait for a moment, and after finish, this is the result that you will get. And after that, we need to increase the size of the design that you are adding to the page like this, and then swipe left the toolbar. Now you need to decrease the transparency like this, and after that, this is the result that you got. This is the spotlight, because there's a spotlight onto the image. And after that, you can click the page and then duplicate it, and now you can move the spotlight onto the next object like this. I think I will adding it here first and then duplicate the page and then move the spotlight onto this page. And after that, click the page like this, decrease the size, decrease the duration onto 1.5 like this, or maybe I think I will make it 2 like this, and then check and apply to all the 3 page. And on the plus button here, click it, add a transition and click the match and move, and then you can increase the duration of it, and then check the apply between all of the page, and this is the result that you will get. And that's the way how to make a spotlight and adding it onto your design by using Canva application. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.